In this episode, I'm going to reveal the secrets to 5 amazing magic tricks that blow people's minds and you can learn instantly at home. Here we go. I'm Jonas Jost. Let's magish. Here we go, guys. This is a really great trick. A card penetrating through a rubber band. Check this out. We need a playing card. We fold that in half. And in half again. Give that a good fold so it's nice and flat down half. Okay, check it out. Here's the rubber band. Oof, I can do this right. Okay, now, card folded in half. Get that over the rubber band. So it's nice and tight into the rubber band. Now watch real close. Watch what happens. Slowly. See, it just penetrates. Weird, right? Magic. So here's the explanation to the card penetrating the rubber band trick. Really blows people's minds. You just need a normal rubber band and a playing card. Here's the one we used in the trick earlier. And you have to fold it in a special way because it's not actually penetrating the rubber band. If I show you the other side, you can see how I folded it, and you can see how it clips onto the rubber band. You can actually let it dangle like that. You can see it dangling on the back, and when you pull it through, you're actually just pulling it off that, and it looks like it goes straight through the rubber band, leaving the rubber band intact. Okay, so when you bend the card, you want to bend it in half with the white side facing up, and you want to bend it in half one more time, and while you're pretending to bend this crease really tight, you actually bend it just one more time, pretending to make that crease really, really straight and strong. You don't show them this, obviously. Now you want to make it look like you're actually threading the card in the middle, as you would really be doing it, if you were really doing it, onto it like that, but you're not doing that. You're just pretending, and then you're threading it onto the little loop you've created at the back. So from the front it looks like this, and it really looks like you've put it right into the middle, and all you have to do is pull gently and it pops off, and it really looks like the card penetrates straight through. Then you can unfold the card for them to see that neither the card nor the rubber band are broken. Super cool magic trick. Try it at home. It's very easy to do and super, super cool. Here we go. Check it out, guys. Ring and rubber band. Cool, right? Straight on. Here's the secret of the trick coming up right now. Check it out. Okay, so here's the secret to this trick. All you need is a ring. Now this is an old key ring, nice big one, and a rubber band. You can use any ring. You can use a ring that you might wear on your finger or something like that, doesn't matter. This takes a little bit of practice, as I've just found out, because it took me about 4 takes to get this trick right. Here's how it works. The ring goes onto the rubber band already. Then you put that around your ring finger on your left hand and your pinky on your right hand. You pick up the ring with your right hand, and now the rubber band loop goes around the other ring finger, so it's now around both ring fingers. And it looks like you're holding the ring off the rubber band, but actually the ring is already on the rubber band, you're just covering that up. So now all you have to do is pretend to place the ring onto the rubber band. Boom, just like that. And all you're doing is just letting it all go. As soon as you let this all go, it just pops onto the ring like that. Makes the trick look really easy. I'll show you one more time. Check it out real quick. Boom. Really freaks people out. It's a great trick. Give it a go. So we've got a string straight through a straw. We're going to bend the straw, and we're going to use some scissors, safety scissors in this case, to cut straight through the straw and the string. Check it out. Boom, straight through. See, gone straight through everything. Now all we need to do, a little bit of magic, put it all together, and the string remains completely intact. Meanwhile, the straw has been cut in half. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so you need a piece of string and a straw. you've got to use one that's kind of opaque. You can't see through it. Okay, so this is plain black, and you need a sharp knife. Get an adult to help you with this if you're a kid. Okay, all we're doing, this is the secret to this trick, is we're scoring from about a quarter of the way down. We're scoring right down to the third, fourth quarter. So you've got a cut from there to about there in the straw. Now you're ready to go. Nobody's allowed to see that cut. We get rid of the knife. We have some scissors, our prepared straw, and a piece of string. The string gets threaded through the straw. You don't have to do this in front of somebody, but you can if you like, because it adds to the trick. Okay, and you can show them. This is a whole piece of string goes right through the straw. Now, this is the secret move. We bend the straw with the slit that we cut into the straw. Okay, that's going to be facing down. So we bend it up, and then we pull the string. Now we do this all under cover of our hands, but I'm going to uncover it so you can see what happens. If I pull the string, it actually comes down. You can see it there, like an A, to where we've cut. So now, if we cover that with our finger, you can cut straight through the straw and the string, but really just pretending. Looks like you've cut everything in half. You make sure you cover the string that goes through the middle. Obviously you don't want that to be seen, but it looks like you've got two separate pieces. You put it back together all in the same hand, and all you need to do from there is pull the string straight out, showing that it's completely restored, it hasn't been cut at all, as if by magic, and the two straws are completely destroyed. And that's how to do the cut and restored string trick. Give it a try, it's really easy, and it will actually really blow people's minds. I have a sanitized straw here. Don't try this at home, but if you have to, do it at your friend's place. Oh, that's not cool. But it'll really freak people out. Here's the secret coming up. Check it out. Okay, this is a really gross trick. It really freaks people out, but I love doing it because it's really easy. All you need is a straw, and it doesn't have to be sanitized because it never actually goes right up your nose. That would really hurt. So I take the straw out. And here's the secret move to the straw up the nose trick. You can use any straw as long as there are no markings on it. It can be any color, it doesn't have to be see-through, it really doesn't matter. So you put the straw up by your nose like that. Now you use two fingers to cover the straw, making it look like it's actually going into your nose. Hold it nice and tight there so you can let go with the other hand. Now here's the secret move. The other hand does a bit of this. Instead of pushing it up, it actually just slides up, pretending, and this is where a bit of acting comes into play. You have to push the straw up, or as far as you can. Cover it with your hand like this, so it looks like it's going up. It's not really, it's just hidden behind your hand. And then you just pretend to be pulling it out again. Whoa. Acting goes a long way with this trick. It really freaks people out, and you can then wipe it on someone's sleeve. They love that, trust me. Enjoy this little trick, it's great. You can do it impromptu, anytime, anywhere. All you need is one of these. Alright guys, we're going to use the power of our minds to bend a metal object. Check this out. We just need some cutlery. Thank you. Okay, check it out. Using the power of our mind. Bend the fork right down, and all we have to do is, and the fork instantly restores itself to straightness. Pretty cool, right? Just a bit magic. So here's the explanation to mind-bending cutlery. It's really simple. You just need a fork, metal one, proper solid metal, and the other secret part is a coin. It's got to be silver, and it's got to be roughly the size of the handle of the fork. I'm using an Australian 10-cent piece because it's pretty much the size of the fork. So you hold the fork just with the pinky on one hand, that's it. But you want to look like you're actually holding it with two hands like that. You're not. You're just holding it with your pinky. The coin goes into your thumb like this, and it looks like it's the end of the fork, the tip of the fork, the handle. So now, from the front, you obviously don't want to show them from the side because you're actually just bending it like that. From the front, it looks like this. And that's not really all that magical because you could be strong enough to bend a fork, but you instantly restore it into a straight fork, as if it just bends straight back. It's like a rubber fork. So here it is again from the side, so you can see. You hold the coin up here, and you're just holding it in your pinky. So from the side it looks like this. You're bending it, bending it, bending it, and then to bend it back, you just pop it straight up, drop the coin into your hand, and the fork has magically bent itself straight again. It's a great trick for the dinner table. Try it tonight. You'll freak out your family and a random friend that you might have over. So there you have it. You've learned some super cool tricks. If you haven't already, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and we are going to see you in the next episode for another whole load of super cool magic tricks that you can do at home to impress your friends and your family.